Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. SK, do you hear me? Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1. Thank you, thank you. Thank you everyone. Let us just wait for another 3 minutes for everyone to come to class. Thank you for your patience, everyone. Thank you. We are having a challenge, but tomorrow it's gonna be fine, guys. Thank you, everyone. Yes. We will be starting in the next 3 minutes. Thank you. Attention students, we will be starting in the next 2 minutes. Thank you for your patience, everyone. We will be starting in the next 2 minutes. Thank you. Um, Welcome, students. Once again, we apologize for the inconvenience. Tomorrow we will do better. Um, thank you. Once again, welcome back, students. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, tomorrow we will try to do better. Let me start by greeting everyone. Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Zululand Training Institute. We're very excited to have you as part of this learning journey. By choosing to study construction project management, you have taken an important step towards building your career in one most important industry in the world. So, guys, what you need to know about the construction project is that it is the shape of our communities, the roads we drive on, the schools we study in, the hospitals that saves lives, and the houses that we live in. They are all built through construction projects. So behind every successful construction project, there is a well-organized project manager and a skilled team. That is why this course is important. It will help you to develop the skills, knowledge, confidence to plan, manage, and complete construction project successfully. So here at Zulu Training Institute, we believe that education creates opportunities, build skills, build communities, knowledge changes lives. So during this program, you will gain a practical knowledge, industry understanding, and project management skills that will help you work in construction companies. Start your project or manage your community for you to start the project or to manage the community project and so forth. So, guys, remember that every expert was once a beginner. So, today it's whereby we are starting your journey as well. So, we do encourage you to participate, to ask questions, to work together, stay committed to your learning. Your success is our success. Okay, guys, before I introduce the project, the course, the project management course, I would like to briefly um, emphasize on our learning management system (LMS). So here at Zululand Training, we use the learning management system, the LMS, to support our learners. So the LMS is an online platform where you can access the course notes, the learning materials, the assignments, the assessments, the announcement, and the feedback from your facilitator as well. So, how do we actually use the LMAs? Number one, you need to log in. So you'll need your username and password that is provided by us. Number two, you need to access your course, select the construction project management, and then there you'll be able to download those notes and those learning materials. And then you will also need to complete your assessment. They will appear there. You will see them at the section there, and then you submit your work, and then you check for feedback as well. So, guys, with the LMS, it will help you to study anytime, anywhere, access your notes easily, submit your assignments online. You can also track your progress, communicate with your lecturer through your LMS. So, guys, in order for you to succeed with this course, it is you need to attend the classes regularly, participate in discussions, complete those assessment on time. We need to respect our classmates and trainers, and then we follow the safety and the learning guidelines. So, student, construction is one of the most largest industries in the world. So, buckle up as we are tackling on it. I hope we all understand each other, ne? Okay. So now let me just take you through this. Let me just take you through on today's course, the construction project management. So this course this course focuses on construction project management, which involves planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling construction activities from start to finish. Yes, thank you. Um, so here students managed, monitored, and also completed successfully. This course will also teach you how to manage time, cost, resources, quality, risk, and so as working in teams. So what is a project? That is my number one question. Well, a project is just a temporary activity that is created to produce a unique product. It can be a unique product, a service, or a result. So a project has a start date, it also has an end date, and so as the specific goal. So examples of the construction projects, you might be building a house, maybe constructing a school, building a bridge, installing water systems, and so as the road construction. So each project is unique, meaning it has different challenges and requirements. So what is project management? Project management, it is a process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling the resources to achieve the project goals within the specific time, budget, and so as the quality standard. Guys, for those who cannot see my screen, can you please just log in into your LMS? I did try to share my screen, though I haven't displayed much. That is where you will access your books. I'm sorry that I cannot share my notes with you, but tomorrow I will be showing my notes with you since I'm using a different device now. That other one, an error, there was a problem with the mic. So we'll be using the manual tool, the planning and contract. So far you can just take your notes as well. But I will be displaying those notes for you guys to have, but they are also there in your book. It's just that I'm using my own version to summarize everything. And your job is for you to study everything that is there on the book. Thank you. Okay, let us proceed. Where were we? So, project management also ensures that the project is completed on time, the project stays within the budget, the work meets the required quality standards. The project is completed safely. For those who can't access the LMS, just go into the website. There, you log in. They will ask for the username and password. You log in there. You go to my courses. You will see project management there, and then you will have to click on the manual tool. That is the one that I'm actually using right now. You need to go to the website and then you press login. They will ask you for the username and password, and then you log in. You go to my courses, you will see the construction management project. Okay, let us proceed. Okay, now let us talk about what is the construction project management. Construction project management, it is the application of the project management principles specifically to construction project. So this one involves the labor, the materials, the equipment, the budget, the schedule, the safety, the quality, you name it. So from the planning stage until the project is until the project is handed over. So these are the importance. The importance of construction project management. Construction project management is important because it helps you to control the cost. This is whereby we ensure that the project does not exceed the planned budget. It helps, number two, it helps to manage time. This one ensures that the project finishes on the schedule. Number three, improves quality. This one, it ensures that the construction meets the required standards. Number four, managing risk. It helps. It helps to identify and reduce potential problems. And then number five, the most important one, improved communication. So this one, it ensures that everyone involved understand their responsibilities. We will be looking into those ones as we proceed with the course. So now, here are the key participants in in the construction projects. So we all know that construction project, they involve so many people, and so as the organizations. So number one, you've got the client, the owner. So the client or the owner. So this one is the person or is the organization that wants the project to be completed. You know. Number two, we've got the project manager. The project manager, in this case, that is you. Okay, so now the project manager is responsible for planning and so is managing the project. And then we have the engineers. Yeah, I know that we do have quite a lot of technical engineers here. So we also have those ones in there. So those ones, they design technical aspect of the project. And then we have the architects. Those ones, they design the building and its appearance. We have the contractors. That is the organization or the person that is responsible for construction work. We've got those subcontractors. Those are the specialists hired to perform that specific task, such as maybe electrical or plumbing work. That is just an example. And then we've got the suppliers. Excuse me, the suppliers, they provide materials and so is equipment needed for that construction. Okay, guys, so we've got stages of construction project, you know. So now we've got the project initiation. That is the initial stage of the project, you know. So this is where the project idea is developed and approved. Number two, and then we've got the project planning. So plans are created for the with those ones. The plans or the planning, it's created for budget. We make sure that we don't exceed it. Now we need to calculate to see where the this is where now we're getting the quantity surveyors. So it talks about the budget, the scheduling, the resources, and so as the risk that are associated with that project. And then we've got the project execution. So this is where action happens. This is where the construction works begin. This is where we are starting to see what is being done here. And then we've got the monitoring and control. The project manager ensures work stays on track. Yeah. So you as a project manager, this is whereby you ensure that the work stays on track. And then we've got the project completion. So this is whereby the project is finished and handed over to the client, also known as the owner. I hope we understand each other. Okay, I do have an activity for you guys, but before, let us just proceed with. I hope you guys are able to see my screen. I'm not quite familiar with this one that I'm actually using. Okay, on your manual planning and contract, your manual two, that is the book that we'll be actually be using for now. So now the planning and contract management, we will be talking about that one. No, it's fine. Yeah, okay. You guys are saying that my screen is blank. It's okay, but you can just access your LMS and just go to your manual two. Go to your manual two, the contract. Sorry, the planning and contract management. That So this is gonna be our topic that we will be talking about. Remember, guys, I'm just gonna navigate it through your manual. The rest is for you to study now. As we've said, that project management involves planning and contract management. And okay, sorry guys, sorry. In construction project management, planning and contract management are two critical elements that determines whether the project succeeds or fails. So, with the planning, it ensures that all activities are organized before construction begins. While contract management ensures that legal agreements between the clients and the contractors are properly managed. So, without the proper planning, then the contract management project may experience number one, the delays. Number two, budget overrun. Number three, poor quality work. Number four, and so as the legal dispute. So, what is planning in construction projects? So, planning it is the process of uh, defining the project goals, determining the task, allocating resources, and creating schedules before the project starts. Planning helps the project manager to organize work efficiently and to reduce those risks. So let us just briefly define planning. So planning is the process of deciding what work must be done, how must it be done, who will do it, and when must it be completed. Yeah. So let us talk about the importance of planning in construction. Planning is so important because it helps to control cost. Yes, it helps to control the cost. This is whereby we ensure that the project stays within the budget. I did mention that one. Manages time. This one it ensures that the project is completed on the schedule. It improves the coordination. This is whereby all the workers and teams understand their responsibilities, reduces risk. Possible problems can be identified and prevented early. Improve the efficiency. This is whereby the resources such as the labor, equipment, and materials are being used effectively. For those who are still struggling with the LMS, please go into our website, and then you click login. They will ask for your username and password. and then you log in, and then you go to my courses, or you will just see go to my courses, and then you will click on the construction project management. We are using the manual to planning and contract management. We are using the manual to planning and contract management. Okay. Guys, I don't have a page number for you. These are my notes that I've summarized from the topic. So it's there. Just go to your manual to planning and contract management. So guys, let us just briefly number one, the steps in construction. The steps in construction planning. Number one, we've got the project and the project objective. So this is whereby the project goals and expected result must be clearly defined. For example, let's say we build a building. Sorry, uh, we are constructing a road. We build those residential houses and so on. Number two, the develop scope of work, the to develop the scope of sorry guys to develop the scope of work. So this one it explains what work must be it explains what work must be completed in the project. So with the scope it includes the project descriptions, the variables, the project boundaries. Yeah. And then number three, we've also got the WBS, the work breakdown structure. That one is very important. You know. A work breakdown structure, it divides the project into smaller manageable tasks. For example, let's say we are building a house. Ne? So this one, it may include maybe the site preparation, the foundation construction, the wall construction, the roofing, the electrical installation, the plumbing, and so as those finishes. Yeah. So this is whereby we are talking about the work breakdown structure. And then number four, we've got the develop project schedule. So a project schedule shows when the task will start and finish. So common scheduling tools include the Gantt charts. We'll be learning more about that one, the project timelines, the network diagram. So these tools will help the project manager to track the progress, especially guys with the Gantt chart. The Gantt chart is very easy to learn to do a follow up. Even a person from China can read a Gantt chart and you can easily see the progress. You know. And then we've got the resource planning. So these steps determines what resources are required. So resources include the labor, that is the workers, the materials, the equipment, the machinery, and money as well. So the proper resource planning prevents shortages or delays. And then we've got the risk planning. The risk planning involves identifying potential problems that may affect the project. For example, guys, the bad weather, the labor shortages, the material delays, the safety incidents. So the project manager develop the strategies to reduce or to manage these risks. Okay. Let us come back to this one. What is a contract? So a contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties. You know? So in construction, a contract usually exists between the client, of which is the owner, and so as the contractor. The contractor is the one that will be executing the project. So the contract will explain the work that needs to be done, the project cost, the timeline, the responsibilities of each party, the payment conditions as well. Yeah. So the importance of contracts in the importance of contracts in the construction industry. Now. So the contracts are important because number one, protect all parties. This is whereby contract clearly state the rights and the responsibilities. Number two, to prevent those disputes. You know. So with those written agreements and with those written agreements, they will reduce those misunderstandings. Number three, they will provide the legal protection. If problems occur, the contract can be used. If a problem occur, the contract can be used um, in illegal processes. Number four, they also ensure the accountability. This is whereby all parties must meet their obligations. Okay, guys, so we've got different types of construction contracts. And number one, I'll just explain. Number one, we've got the lump sum contract. So with the lump sum contract, this is whereby the contractor agrees to complete the project for the fixed total price. So now, with these different contract, we do have the advantages and so is the disadvantages. So with the lump sum one, the advantage is the advantages for this one is that cost certainly for the clients. So this is whereby the cost are just for the client. You see, and then the disadvantage about this one also, changes may increase the cost also. And then we've got the cost plus contract. The client pays the contractor for the actual cost plus an additional fee or the profit. So with the advantages for this one, um, the advantages for this one, it's the flexibility of changing project, and the disadvantage for this one, it's the final cost may be uncertain. And then, guys, we do have the time and material contract. So here, the client pays based on the time worked and so as the materials are used. So the advantage about this one, it's suitable for the small project. Yeah, this one for those who are having the small projects, it's suitable for you. But now the disadvantage is it's harder to control the cost. That's the disadvantage about that one. So the key elements of the construction contract, guys, I see your questions. I will attend to them, and I will assist those who are still having difficulties with looking into their LMS. But it's very simple, guys. Just go into our website, you log in, they will ask you for the username and password, and then you log in, and then you go to my courses, and then you will see even your study materials there. Let us talk about the key elements of the construction contract. Yeah. I'm trying very hard. My screen it is on display. I'm not sure why aren't you guys able to see, but I'm here on the manual too. I'm confused why you guys cannot see. The thing is, okay, if you don't have a study, the study material is there on your LMS, guys. Okay, guys. So tomorrow before we begin, I will show you guys. I will be sharing my screen. We'll be using a proper link this time. It's just that with that one we were too many, so we couldn't use that one. But I will be showing you. I will be displaying my screen, and then I will show you where you access your study material for those who cannot um, access their LMAs, and for those who cannot access their books as well. We will start with that one, but so far just go into your LMS, log in the website. Okay, guys, let us proceed. Okay, the key elements of a construction contract. So, a construction contract usually includes number one, a scope of work. As I did mention, that one is just a detailed description of what work that must be done. The project schedule. This one is just the timeline for the project completion. Number three, the payment terms. This one it explains how and when will the payments will be done. And then number four, the quality requirements. This one talks about the standards and the standards the contractor must follow. Number five, we've got the responsibilities of parties. So this one includes the duties for both the client and the contractor as well. And then we do have the dispute resolution. It's a procedure to resolve the disagreements. Uh, and then we have the contract management. Oh, okay. We will try to use Zoom for tomorrow. Thank you for that one. Okay. So, guys, let us talk about the contract management. So, the contract management it is the process of administrating and monitoring the contract to ensure that all parties they fulfill their obligations, as I've mentioned. So, the project manager plays an important role in the contract management, and then the responsibilities in the contract management. Sorry, the responsibilities in contract management. So, the project manager, you as a project manager, you must number one monitor the contract performance. Number two, you need to ensure that work meets the specifications. Number three, you need to approve those payments. Manage the contract changes, resolve any dispute as well. So that is just you as a project manager. Guys, this is still just an intro. We will be looking at our notes fully tomorrow. So this is just an intro, guys. So for those who cannot see where am I, I'm just using the manual too, but you guys will see. Let me just repeat that one again. The responsibility, you as a contract management, you as a contract manager. Number one, you have to monitor the contract performance. Number two, ensure the work meets the specification. Number three, approve the payments. Number four, manage the contract changes. Number five, also to resolve the disputes. Okay, guys, let's talk about the contract changes. I'm a variation. You know. So sometimes changes occur during the construction. So this might include number one, maybe there might be a change in designing, maybe there might be additional work, or maybe it can happen to be the material changes. So these changes are called variations and must be approved and documented properly. And then we've got the common contract problems. So some common contract problems, some common contract issues, they also include the delays in the project completion. Guys, for those who are a bit lost, please don't worry yourself that much. This is just an introduction. We will be looking close into all of this. This is just an introduction on what to expect on construction management course. Yeah. So I'm just for now I'm only just explaining, I'm just doing an intro to you guys. So please don't panic. Tomorrow everything will be sorted. We will be sharing our screens and so as the notes as well. So this is still an introduction for those who doesn't even know what is the construction project management. So for now you can just listen or maybe write down those notes. Thank you very much. So we are talking about the common contract problems that you can come across you as a project manager. Number one, there can be the delays in the project completion. Number two, the poor workmanship. Number three, the payment disputes. Number four, failure to meet the contract term. So the proper contract manager helps to reduce these problems. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, and then let us just look at the roles of the project manager in planning and contract management. So so you as a project manager, you are responsible for number one, developing project plans, coordinating resources, monitoring contract performance, managing the risk, ensuring that the project um, meets time, cost, and quality requirements. So, as you all know, that a good project manager ensures that the project is completed successfully and professionally. Uh, um, Sorry, guys, they are saying that I'm a bit fast. Okay, let me just try to be a bit slower and clear. Okay, now I'll just repeat that one because they are saying that I was a bit fast. Sorry about that one. I was talking about the roles of the project manager in planning and contract management. So you as a project manager, you are responsible for number one, developing project plans, number two, coordinating resources, number three, monitoring contract performance, number four, managing the risk, and number five, ensuring that the project meets meets the time, cost, and quality requirements. Recite. Yes, umangena. Okay. Sorry guys for the noise. Guys, we are towards the end of our introduction, you know, and then we will start tomorrow. We will be having a link that won't be giving us troubles. Um, and so forth. So, guys, let me just sorry, guys, about the noise. Sorry. Okay, guys. So, in conclusion, guys, what you need to know about the planning and so is contract management. So these are essential in construction project management. So with planning, it helps organizing the project activities, while the contract management ensures that all legal agreements are followed and are properly managed. So, a successful construction project depends on good planning, clear contracts, effective management. So, here at Drill and Training Institute, students are encouraged to develop a strong skill in planning and contract management to become an effective construction project manager in future. So, guys, it brings us to the end of our lesson. Um, we will be sharing a link tomorrow. We will take 10 minutes just to show students how do you log in into our LMS, how do you access your books, and where we will be studying from. We are so sorry that we didn't give you guys we didn't give you guys sufficient clarity, but we will try to do that one. But now I can't do that because now I'm using YouTube. Uh, we are using YouTube, and I cannot really display as I'm used to. So we will be using a right link that will be uh, good for everyone, and we'll be able to see. Quick question: do we need to study the whole guide in order to complete the module 2 assessment? Well, yes, you do need to study the whole guide, yes, so that you are able to answer those questions. So, guys, I'm taking questions now. Yes, you will need to, though I won't be teaching everything, but you will need to study everything so that you are able to answer those assessments that we have for you guys. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, with the NQF, ne? Let me just emphasize on that one. Excuse me, I will answer you just now. Mm, so, will you assist us with funding for small tenders? There are programs that are already doing that one for those who need assistance with their small tenders. Finding small tenders or funding small tenders. Okay, guys. For those who are still asking the NQF level, I will attend to that question. I will attend to that question. I will also ask the Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Apart from the NQF level, you can ask some other questions as well. Um, Nofundo, just to answer you, you said that I must give you the clarity on what to expect or what are the question structure. Okay, there we are having, we've got the quiz, we've got the true or false. Yes, that is what we are having, especially with the final examination as well. That is what we are having. This course will take about this course will take about 3 to 4 weeks. You need 40 to 60% in order for you to pass. Yeah, about 2 to 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. It depends how fast we can do. Um, NQF level 5, 10 credits. The duration is 2 to 3 weeks. The pass market is 40%. For those who didn't receive information email, please do send us a WhatsApp on our number there, 078 6500, so that we can just look into you specifically. Uh, for those who are asking about our accreditations, yes, we are. Just it's there on our website. You can check us there. No, no, we do not write the pass mark on our certificate. We just issue your certificate with the NQF levels and so as the credits. I will have to check with that one. They said that it's the 15 month the examination. I will have to check that one. The number it is 078 5600. We don't have any specific date for the exam. You can write it as soon as you feel that you are ready. NQF level 5, 10 credits. For those who are saying that the date was, they are saying that we must be done by the 15th of March. Guys, we didn't even have the date to, for when we start, so we'll still have to look into it. We do courier your certificate, even if you are in Cape Town, you will get your certificate. We courier. NQF level 5. Yes, we do graduate. We will be having a graduation around June. We don't have the date yet, but you will be informed. It's 2 to 3 weeks, the time frame for this course. Yes, it is 10 credits. We will be having our online classes from Monday to Thursday, guys. Monday to Thursday, we'll be using 1 to 2 p.m. So it's going to be an 1 hour lesson from Monday to Thursday, guys, not Friday. Fridays, we don't have any online classes. The location for the graduation will be in Vryheid, KZN. That is where our head office is. The graduation will be held in Vryheid, KZN. Yes, we do assist with practicals. We do assist with practicals because we tend to have companies that will be looking maybe for the safety officers, for the project managers, and then we will be referring our students. But it's best that you look for the practicals for yourself. But we also try to assist, especially when these companies they will want students from us. 078 6500. Um, this certificate alone does not guarantee you a job. What? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I can advise a person that they do, especially those the basic firefighter, the first aid, the SHRAPE, and so forth. It tends to become more powerful when you've got that combination. Those are the must-have certificates. No, if you are already in module 5, no, you can proceed. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Even if you are far ahead of from us, it's still fine. Yes, some of you are all over South Africa. We do try to assist, though we are based here in KZN, but we do try to assist with practicals for all provinces. So what happens when you are far in terms of what? Yes, it is a formal graduation ceremony. No, no. Sorry, guys, about the credits. Sorry, 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 sorry. Guys, we are a private institution. Okay, some of the questions I cannot answer now, but we'll look into it. Um, if I didn't answer your questions, I did write it down so that I can give you an accurate answer. Yes, we do have to pay for the certificate. I'm not sure how much I will ask from the admin team, but we do pay for the certificate. I did talk about the exam that must be on the 15th of March. There was an error there because we didn't even know when we start even this class. So you will be informed. Yes, we are gonna pay for the certificate. Okay, guys, we will inform you how much are we gonna pay for the certificate. For those who I'm not answering their questions, I'm writing them down. I will be answering them tomorrow. Guys, we will be having our graduation somewhere around June. We still don't have a date yet, but you will be informed. Oh, okay. I will talk to the team about trying to open up the group because now I think it's only the admins that are able to write something there. I will try and talk and ask. For those who wanna ask more questions, we will try to open the group so that we all ask questions and you are all being answered. Guys, with the elements we are using the Zululand training. Okay, with the okay, guys, I think you are being confused whenever you are talking about the LMS, but we are using the website for Zululand training. That is the one you use to access your your study guides there and your assessment, everything. No, guys, the exam is there on your LMS. You can start it even now whenever you're ready. Um, yes, you are gonna get your certificate. If ever you want the statement, also you will get the statement as well. I'm not quite sure yet with the certificate how much will it cost, but I will have the answer for you. For now, we do not have the due date for those assessments, but we will inform you guys as soon as we can. It's not a must that you attend the graduation, but it will be nice to see you there. It is a free course, but now you need to pay for the certificate. We're not charging you for the course, we are charging you for the certificate. Remember, we need to print those certificates, we need to courier them to you, and so forth. So we charge you for that one. I cannot say how much do I think the certificate will cost because I'll be misleading you. I will have the exact amount and then I will tell you by tomorrow. I will still have to check with the admins. Remember, guys, I'm only just the facilitator here. Some of the answers I do not have, but I will have them for you. Not that I think this certificate will help you to find the job. This certificate will, you will find a job with the certificate. Remember, guys, this is the new course that we've just launched. That's a good idea. You can start saving. Yes, that's a good idea for the graduation, of course. No, don't worry. It won't cost that much with the certificates. Thank you very much, Tandongosi. We are also excited. In order for you to become a facilitator, you need to take the facilitator course. We also offer that one here at Lusatech Stroke Zululand Training Institute. Thank you very much, Cindy and Dombela. We can't wait to see you also. I can't estimate. I'm sorry, guys. I can't. All right, sure. Remember, guys, our certificate. They also we cannot send them to you because now they've got an emboss, so it's not gonna be visible. You are welcome. You are welcome, Poppy. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ongezwa. With the graduation, yes, we do also pay for the graduation as well. It's not much. It's not much. It depends what combo you will be taking there because we've also got our graduation gowns and so forth. But we pay for the graduations as well. Guys, for those who wants to know the exact figures or roughly how much, I cannot answer you. I cannot estimate, but once the management has decided, we will be the first one to know. Don't worry, Wendy. You will be getting wonderful results. At Lusatech, we don't fail, we all pass. We thank you very much to share this opportunity with you also. Okay, guys, what you need to remember now is to study. Ne? Is to study. The facilitators, they cannot go through the whole book with you, but just to navigate through those few topics and so forth. So your duty is for you to study. If ever there's something that you will need a facilitator to emphasize on, we are here for you. I'm gonna try to open the group so that we are able to communicate. If ever there's a person that has got a question, we can all assist each other as well. So I will try to open the group there on WhatsApp so that you are all able to type. Because right now it's only the admins that are able to type. So guys, we are together on this journey. We are yeah, it's gonna be good. We're gonna assist each other. We need to work as a team. Yes, 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 yes. Guys, I will need to show you one of our certificates that we are having so that you will know how will your certificates would look like. Yes, we will be having the SAQA, the NQF number, everything. Yes, yes. I will show you one of the certificates and then you'll know how it looks like. Yes, Bala, ungazibuze ngala. No, 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 Niklas la. Ngamukha nje la. Yes, we do have plenty of courses here at. I will just name quite a few that we have. We do have the on. We've got the e-learning, and you also have those physical classes as well. Okay, guys, the courses that we are actually having, I'll just name quite a few. We've got a lot of courses. We've got the safety officer, the Sherman track course, we've got the construction safety officer, we've got MINESOC, we've got OHS, the fundamentals of OHS, the OHS management, OHS monitoring and improvement, OHS representative, we've got first aid, all the levels, we've got basic firefight, we've got HIV and AIDS awareness. We do have the legal liability. Sorry, we've got the health and safety representative course. We have HIRA. We've got incident investigation. Yeah, if you could go into our website, you will find all these courses there. If you want to become a safety officer, yes, you can do the SHAM track with us. Okay, guys. I will be closing. Yeah, guys, we will be leaving this. I will be closing this live page in the next 6 minutes. So you can ask. Yes, we do have the mine sock, the mining courses. Yes, we do have the mine sock one, and so is mine sock two. We take many people as far as possible with the SAM track. We also have our computer courses. You can do the basic computer courses with us, the standard computer course, the full computer course, the advanced computer course, the professional computer course, the digital literacy and basic computer. You can do the what is it? The computer TIA. That is like the IT support, the cyber security essentials, cloud computing fundamentals, data analysis, visualization. Sorry. Um, Coding for the beginners. We also have introduction to artificial intelligence AI. We also have the mobile app develop is the e-commercial and digital marketing, the IT project management, the web developer. Guys, just go into our website. We have all those ones. For those who are confused, I'm just explaining about the courses that we are having here at the Zululand Training Institute. Actually, I'm just taking questions. I'm just taking questions. So people they're asking me about the other courses. So I'm telling them about the other courses that we are having. No, no, no. They are not for free. We pay for them. We pay for them. How much is SO? Um, with our safety officer course, we do have the one for the e-learning. It's 7,000 rand. If you come for our physical classes, it's we have it for 8,000 rand. Okay, I will try to start by answering your questions tomorrow, especially for those questions that I didn't answer today. No, today our topic was the introduction. Was the introduction. For those whom I didn't answer your question, I did jot them down to answer tomorrow. You can ask again. Karabo, please. You can WhatsApp our admins there 078 5600, and then they will look. Our technical team will look into that one. Guys, one more minute left. Oh, okay, I will answer that question. Thank you very much. I will answer that question. I'm still taking some few questions, guys. I've only got 1 minute with you guys, and then we'll have to meet again tomorrow. But I will try to open up that group so that you are also able to communicate via WhatsApp. Okay, guys, that's it from me. Remember, guys, we are doing the introduction today. So tomorrow we will be displaying everything, and then we will be taking it from there. For those who can log into the website, the elements, we will do a short video with them whereby we will be taking it step by step for us to be able to log in into our LMS. I know that some people are having some problems, but we will sort that one again. Tomorrow we'll just have a short video whereby I'll be sharing my screen with you, and then I'll be taking you guys through. I hope we understand that one. So guys, we will meet again tomorrow 1 to 2 p.m. It's gonna be a 1 hour lesson every day from Monday to Thursday. On Friday we do not have any online classes. So guys, I'm about to end the stream. Have a good afternoon as you guys are studying. Thank you very much.